Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Jihan Sabila. I'm from Accounting of North Sumatra University. I want to explain about chapter 1 is Accounting Information System. Definition of System and Accounting Information System. The system is a series of two or more components that are interrelated and interact to achieve goals. Most systems consist of small subsystems that supports a large system. Accounting information system is a system that collects, records, stores, and processes data to produce information for decision makers. This system includes people, procedures and instruction, data, software, information technology infrastructure, internal control, and security measures. Accounting information system have 6 components. 1. User. User is people who use the system. 2. Procedure and instruction is used to collect, process, and store data. 3. Organization data. The data about the organization and business activities. 4. Software. Software is used to process data. 5. Information technology infrastructure is include computer, peripheral device, and communication network device used in accounting information system. Internal control and safety measurement is store data. Data is a fact that is collected, stored, and processed by the information system. After the data has been collected, then accounting information system task is to do the task of changing the various facts so that they can be used as a decision of information. Information is data that has been managed and processed to provide meaning and improve the decision-making process. If more information obtained, the more quality the user makes decision. The main function of AIF or accounting information system in the organization. 1. Improve quality and reduce product and service costs. 2. Improve efficiency. 3. Sharing knowledge. 4. Improve the efficiency and effectiveness the supply chain. 5. Improve internal control structures. And the last, improve decision making. What we must study accounting information system. Accounting information system focus on 1. Understanding how the accounting system works. 2. How to collect data about the activities and transaction of an organization. 3. How to turn that data into information that management can use to run their organization. And the last, and how to ensure the availability, reliability, and accuracy of the information. So, the accounting information system course complements the other accounting course that you will take. The purpose of accounting information system. 1. To fulfill obligation relating to stewardship. 2. To support decision making by internal decision makers. 3. To support the day-to-day operation. Comparison of manual and automation accounting information system. There is 2 accounting information system comparison. 1. Accounting information system manual, and 2. Accounting information system automation. Comparison of manual and automation accounting information system. This is the example. 1. Starting from the initial residual value in the account contained in the ledger. 2. Analyze and journalize transactions as they occur. In accounting information system automation, 1. Starting from the initial residual value in the account contained in the ledger, same to accounting information manual. 2. Conduct analysis in the classification of business transaction by type. Select the appropriate menu to enter the data. there is 7 comparison. The role of accounting information system in the value chain. 1. Primary activities, logistic inbound, operation, logistic outbound, marketing and sales, service. Support activity, company infrastructure, human resource, technology, and purchase. The cycle of SIA. SIA have 5 cycle. 1. Revenue cycle. The revenue cycle where goods and services are sold to get cash or promise to receive cash in the future. 2. Expenditure cycle. Expenditure cycle where the company buys inventory for resale or raw materials for use in producing goods in exchange for cash or promises to pay cash in the future. 3. Production or convention cycle. Production or convention cycle where raw the materials are transformed into finished goods. 4. The human resource cycle or payroll. Human resource cycle or payroll where employees that employed, trained, compensated, evaluated, promoted, and dismissed. 5. Financing cycle. Financing cycle where the company sells its shares to investors and borrows money, then investors will be paid with dividends and interest paid on their own loans. So this is my presentation or micro teaching of Jihan Sabila. I want to say thank you for your attention and I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.